Hello. So this training video is for our day one of our distance learning photo challenge. So today for the first photo, I just want you to use your Chromebook and start thinking about the notes we took today in class or recently in class regarding how to take a good photograph. So remember, we want an interesting subject. So that interesting subject is you wearing a mask, a COVID mask. We need good light. And so I'm going to make use of some golden hour light, and we want to use rule of thirds. So I'm going to try to utilize all three of those right now with this training video. So let's begin. What you need to start with is go and get to your, see where we went to that little circle that went up here? Go get your camera. All right, get to your camera. All right, here we go. It's sunny out here, so this. So you can see right now the sun's lower on the horizon. It's beginning. This is probably the beginning part of golden hour. So we don't have too many golds yet, but we do have the light hitting the objects around us from the side instead of from the top. And so that gives an interesting look right there because the plants are lit a different way. A little more detail. We can see a little more detail where the sun hits. And also we can get long shadows as well from this. So those features plus that golden look, which we're starting to get. The light is definitely softer now. I really don't need to wear these sunglasses, but it's part of the vibe, you know? Okay. But anyway, so we're going to take our photo with our mask on. So here's our favorite or regular COVID mask, whatever you wear out in public. Keep yourself safe. Okay. And so we want to make use of rule of thirds. So I do have an interesting background too with the plants and all that, and the light hitting it the way it is. But I don't want to do that because the top of that tree is not that interesting. So I want to come up a little higher, and it's cool that I'm center. If you know, actually, I might want to go to the right third line or left, depending on how you're seeing this video, so that I can kind of eliminate some of that and see more of the plants glowing. Yeah, there we go. Starting to like that a little bit better. Okay, so I'm on the right third line. We got rule of thirds going with also the eyes up here on the upper third line. Okay, so mask on. Take my photo. Take my photo. Oh, I'm supposed to go here. Duh. Uh-huh. All right, so now we are going to go to our Wix account. Go to wix.com. Get there through mrjaffe.net or get there by typing wix.com. Sign in with your username and password. I'll assume you know how to do that. All right. And we want to go to site actions. Oh, thank you for that 50% off. Let's try this again. Site actions. Edit site. Awful long wait here, but there it is. Okay. So I want to go to my photo challenge page. You should find that under your photo page. If you don't find it, you didn't add it. And there's a training video that we did in week 4, or actually week 5. A training video in week 5 about how to add the photo challenge page to your Wix page. Okay, to your Wix website. Anyways, click that. You'll have to go back and work on that if you didn't. And we want to upload, now that we're on this page, we're on the photo challenge page, as you can see. All right, and we'll see how that looks. We're going to go add image. My image uploads. This is where if you've uploaded images from your Google Drive or you uploaded images from your phone through the Wix web, or I should say, if you've used the Wix app on your phone, you would already find your photos here. If you use Google Drive, you would bring them in from Google Drive, just like we are going to bring them in right now from our Chromebook. Okay. So we're going to go upload media and upload from computer, because this one was taken with the Chromebook camera. So it's on the computer. When you go here, you should see it right away, right off the bat. It's going to open up to your files, downloads folder and files, right? That's where your camera puts the images that you take. Click on this top one, click open. It's going to load. And double click on it to add it to the page. And then I'm going to add text. Heading 3. Move that down. Oh, I got to change the color of the, double click in there. Change the color. Probably to a contrasting color, which will be white. And then I'm going to put day 1 mask. And move that right here. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and publish. Remember to publish. Click publish every time. If you're not sure if you click publish, publish again. Publish as many times as you want. Just don't make the number of times you publish 0, because then I won't see it. Okay. Once we're done there, I can go ahead and hit the X. Oh, stop doing that. Just go ahead and leave. It's fine. Fine. And on our dashboard, I want to see what this looks like. So I'm going to click on the link that takes me to the World Wide Web and shows me my page. So I hover over photo, and there's my photo challenge page. Click on that, and there it is, right there. All right. So that's how you do this assignment from beginning to end. Good luck.